2. Qualities of sound. Every sound has qualities. These qualities relate to different aspects of the sound, such as the volume or the duration. There are 4 sound qualities: pitch, duration, intensity and timbre. 2.1. Pitch. This is the characteristic of sound that tells us the difference between a high sound and a low sound. It is related to frequency, a scientific concept that tells us the number of vibrations per second of a sound wave. As you can see, a high-frequency sound has a smaller period and vice versa, a low-frequency sound has a bigger period. A scientific term for vibrations per second is hertz, abbreviated HA. A high sound has a lot of vibrations or periods per second, a lot of HA, while a low sound has few vibrations or periods per second, not many HZ. We use the stave, US staff, and the notes to represent the pitch. 2.2. Duration. This is the characteristic of sound that tells us the difference between a short sound and a long sound. It is measured in seconds. In music, we represent sound duration with note values and silence with rests. 2.3. Intensity. This is the characteristic of sound that tells us the difference between a loud sound and a soft sound. It's related to volume and also known as loudness. The scientific term for loudness is wave amplitude, and it's measured in decibels, abbreviated decibel. In music, we represent intensity with dynamics. These are Italian words used to express the different degrees of intensity. In this table, you can see the dynamic indications. 2.4. Timbre. Timbre is the sound quality which makes it possible to identify the object that produces the sound. For example, we can distinguish a trumpet from a clarinet, even if they play the same sound with identical pitch, duration and intensity. The human ear and brain are able to hear and appreciate very small variations in timbre,